Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for another tutorial on Swell Enterprise. Today we're going to dig into opportunities, what they are, and why you should be using them. So to get started, go ahead and click on the three dots in the upper navigation here. Otherwise, if you've already shortlisted this to your sidebar, you can navigate to opportunities from there. Once you click on the three dots in the top, go ahead and click on Sales, and then go to Opportunities. And you can immediately go to create a new opportunity or view opportunities. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and jump into viewing opportunities. And so what you see here is a Kanban style where we've got our different statuses, as you'll see here. And I can scroll right or left to see more statuses. Now you can always create more statuses if you choose, just by scrolling to the very end and clicking on Add Status, or by going to the three dots in the top here and then going to the System tab. Now you can rearrange these in whatever order you choose. So as you'll see here, I can drag and drop them in a new order. And as you're working with your deals and your opportunities, you can actually drag them from one stage to another stage very easily. Now if you don't like the Kanban card view, you can always switch it to a table format. And this may make it a little easier for you to, for example, do searches or to filter by a specific status. In this case, so if I wanted to go to follow up, I can just do a search for all deals that are in the follow up status. And then what you can do is you can click on a opportunity here to get the details of it. And when you open an opportunity, you should see the full amount, any notes that you've created here. You can see the deal amount, when it was last updated, what the progress is, etc. So when you go to create a new opportunity, you'll be asked for some certain information. Not much of this is required, but you'll go and you'll give the deal a title. So in our case, if we own a web design company, we may have a deal for doing a website for one of our clients, but there may also be another deal or opportunity to later do some marketing or advertising. This would, of course, be contingent on us finishing the website and getting the website job. So I'd go ahead and give this a title here. I can attach it to a specific client, lead, or contact. Then I can assign it to one or several team members, or assign it to a whole department or team. You'll go ahead and create or assign the starting status and then the value amount. So let's say I had $500,000 opportunity here. But let's say that this doesn't start for another 30 days and the deal is going to end shortly after. I can give it a brief description. I can also add notes, and you can have custom fields. So in this case, we have a custom field called score that we've created. You may not have this field, but you can always create new custom fields by going to the System tab and creating a new custom field and then assigning it to deals and opportunities. So once you create your deal or your opportunity, you should see that immediately available to you on the View Opportunity screen, where again, you can use the Kanban style or the table, and you can quickly update or drag and drop through your sales process. All right, that concludes our tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at the bottom of the right-hand corner of the chat pane. We'll be happy to assist you.